Let's see how to use Hostinger File Manager. Log into your Hostinger Cpanel and here you will see the hosting section. Click on Manage next to your web hosting. Now from the left menu, click on Files and then click on File Manager. You can access the files of a specific domain or you can access all the files of your web hosting. If you want to access the files of your specific domain, just select it from here. So now we are in the file manager. Now if you want to do the settings, just click on settings from here and you can show hide files from here. Use single clicks to open files and directory and you can select exact date and format. After that, click on my files. If you want to add a new folder, just click on new folder from here, give it a name and then click on create. If you want to add a new file, just click on new file from here, give it a name. And after that you need to add the files extension. Let's say you want to add a PHP file, then select .php. Let's say you want to add an HTML file, then add .html and then click on create. And as you can see that our file is now created. You can add the content and then click on save from here. After that we have the trash bin option. If you have mistakenly deleted something that you don't want to delete, then you can cover it from here. To access all the files of your website, this is the folder public_html. Here all the files of your website will be located. Let's say you want to edit any file, just right click on it and then click on edit. And now you can easily add the code and then click on save from here. To delete any file from here, just right click on it and then click on delete from here. And if you want to download, just click on download from here. And if you want to copy or move the file, just click on copy file from here. Then select the path and then click on copy. And if you want to move the files, just right click on the file and then click on move. Just add the new path and then click on move. And in this way your files will be moved to that folder. If you want to add the files in archive, just select the files and then click on this archive button. Then select zip or any other file format from here. And in this way our files will be added into that archive folder. If you're using WordPress and you want to upload content to your WordPress website, select WP content from here. Here you have an option for the uploads. Select uploads from here. Select the current year from here. Select the month from here and then click on upload files, and all these files will be shown in the WP admin dashboard. Same like this, if you want to upload plugins or themes to your website, just select public_html, then select WP content, select themes from here, upload the theme zip file from here and then extract it. So this is how you can use file manager in Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.